program a lot. Mostly work on Telelink and some on Protector, mostly on next generation Protector features, but I first got a degree in math and went to grad school for a while in math, realized that I wasn't that passionate about math. What I loved really was the programming. I was programming on fractals, doing, mathematical programming things. So I decided, well, I should probably just get into computer science. So I went back to school, I got out of grad school, went back, got an undergraduate degree in computer science, and then immediately got a job in the industry. So I worked for a couple of years at Shoney's Corporation, then worked for 13 years at Gallagher Financial Systems making mortgage software, and then have been at Equinox for the last 6 years or so. The coolest thing about this user group meeting for me is getting to meet our customers who actually work with not just the products we've developed, but have helped push our products, especially as we look at, I've been involved with a lot of the SIP collector and SIP redirect server. So getting to sit down and talk to people that are using that or have beta tested it for us or are talking about it. I just spent the last 30 minutes at lunch taking Scott from C-Spire's time to talk about his network and how we could, tap into that and, how he could beta test some stuff for us. And he was teaching me things about how they monitor and, I could, get to look at traffic. Those are things that I can't get just by reading case studies off the internet. Looking at he pulled up actual Oracle Palladium, and I'm watching their actual traffic go through, and he's showing me, okay, on the meta switch, here's how I would tear this call down, but we could do this through the API. Getting to see that on an actual customer's live laptop is not something I can do sitting back at the office, so. Plus, since more than half of the Protector customers here also have Telelink, and I've spent most of my tenure at Equinox working on Telelink, I've gotten to meet some of them and talk to them like Brad from Telesystem. I've done a lot of mediation work for him over the last year, and so getting to meet him, put a face with the name and talk about those mediations, was nice. So, oh, it's great. It's it's on our business cards. It says family comes first, and that's the way we feel. It's we work real hard while we're there, but then when it's quitting time, we go home, we don't think about work, and we do our family life. Then when we come back to work the next day, we're rested, ready to go, and we're heads down and on it. So.